You have a Schoology calendar associated with every course, group, and school that you're a member of. To access the calendar, you can either, from your course dashboard, click on the calendar link on the far right-hand side, or from any page that you're on, use the calendar icon in the top navigation bar. When you enter your calendar, you have the option of viewing it from the month, week, or day view. I'm going to switch into September so that you can see that any event that's on my calendar will appear here. I have the choice of viewing all of my calendars at the moment, or I could select just certain ones to view. Notice that there is a color associated with each one of them, and you can color code so that it's easy to tell which activities are on the calendar for which course or group or building. In addition to seeing items that are added to your calendar for your groups and courses and buildings, you can also add items directly to the calendar for yourself or for any course or group that you're an admin for. If I hover over a day and I click on it, it allows me to add in a calendar event. It's very similar to adding a Google Calendar event. Okay, it'll have the date. It'll default to whatever day you clicked on. You can add a time to it as well. You can have it repeat if you would choose to. Okay, you just simply need to give it a title. This box looks familiar because that's the exact same format that we see when we create assignments or pages inside of Schoology. Okay, you even have the option of having an RSVP in there as well. Okay, this means that comments are enabled, meaning that people can comment on that calendar event. Right now it's only visible for me, so oftentimes that's good, and this is an option for students as well to add items to their calendar. Maybe they have practices after school and they just need to kind of keep things organized. But if you want to, you also can create a calendar event that is for a specific course that you teach or multiple courses. Okay, so as you can see, it just wants me to type the name of the course or the group. Okay, as I start to type, it's going to narrow it down. I can select that group. Maybe I have multiple that I'm teaching that I want them all to see this same calendar event. Okay, maybe there's a field trip or something like that. So I would have the option to create it, and anyone inside of those groups would also have this appear on their calendar as well. Okay, so that's how you would create calendar events and how you can narrow down what you're seeing here. I could check off that I only want to see a specific course. Okay, you can see that that one is the only one that I'm seeing now. And I can, of course, view by any month, day, or week that I want to. So that is the Schoology calendar.